Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the first lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. So, the town mouse means शहर में रहने वाला चूहा and the country mouse means village में रहने वाला चूहा. Village means गांव. कंट्री देश को भी बोला जाता है, लेकिन इस कहानी में कंट्री विलेज को बताया गया है. कंट्री साइड, विलेज साइड. Now student, see, look at these two pictures and answer the questions. So, tell me what are the differences you notice between these two pictures. So, I will show you the differences. Here, there are small herds, small houses, and animals are moving, and this woman is carrying a bundle of grass on her head. And these are the fields at the back side of the houses. So this is a village. I have written here country, okay, village side. And this is a town. Here you can see the huge buildings, right? Factories, vehicles are moving on the road, electric poles, right? Electric pole means street lights. So this is a town. Now tell me, where do you think that life is peaceful and why? So if you think that life is peaceful in the village, so why it is peaceful? And if you think life is peaceful in the town, so tell me the reason why it is peaceful in the town. The next question is, do animals feel the same like you? So this is a self-questioning to you. How we feel in the country house, means village house, or how we feel in the town, you have to tell that. So like that, how we feel in the village side or town side, so do the same animals also feel? So this is a self-questioning to you. So these three questions we have completed. Right now, coming to the next. This is a oral discuss. Oral discuss means you have to give your opinion, the place which you like to live, like village or town. So we will discuss this later. Now coming to the story. Here is the story of the town mouse and the country mouse. The story of two mouses. Would you like to know how the town mouse feels when he visits the countryside? So do you want to know, students, how the town mouse feels when he visits to the countryside? Okay, I will tell you the story of these two mouses and how the town mouse feels when he visits to the countryside. So the story begins. The town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often rode to each other. One day, the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. So, the two mouses were cousins and they often wrote a letter to each other. वो अक्सर एक दूसरे को letter लिखा करते थे. So, one day what happened, students? The country mouse got the letter from the town mouse. So, here is the letter. See here. This is a from address. So, kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town, means town mouse, on 11th March 2012. What the town mouse written in his letter to the country mouse, see here. Dear cousin, I have been ill with cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. So, he has written in the letter that town mouse have been ill with cough and his doctor advised him to spend a week in the village, in the countryside. So, he is asking to the country mouse, may I stay with you? क्या मैं आपके साथ रह सकता हूँ? So, give me early reply. Give me early reply means you have to answer as early as possible. With warm regards, your affectionately town mouse. Affectionately means lovingly, showing caring. town mouse has written this letter to country mouse. This is a to address to country mouse, the mouse hole, mouse country. So this is a letter from town mouse to the country mouse. Now receiving the invitation from the country mouse,